I never thought I'd be a pilot. I was scrolling on TikTok one night and I saw this video of a helicopter starting up and it just fired me up. I just decided to do a trial flight, fell in love, so that's how it started.
Kind of made a couple mates for life really, and it's going to be real interesting to see where their aviation careers take them as well in the future. Training facilities here at Jandakot literally has everything that you need. You've got all the ground school side of things and you've got all the lecturers that guide you through the theory side of things.
The lecturers that we have at SM TAFE come direct from the industry. So they must have done industry flying before, and they can pass that straight on to the students, seeing the students succeed. It's fantastic.
Oh, the facilities here are great. You have actual pilots that are teaching you. They know the ins and outs of everything. You get to study at an airport, so on your lunch breaks, you get to go out and watch one of the busiest airports in Australia. When you're in the classroom, you get constantly reminded about why you're doing this. You'll be sitting down learning something on the whiteboard, and all of a sudden the tables will shake, the room will shake because you've got a water bomber going overhead, or you'll have the Royal Flying Doctor jet starting up.
It is a bit of a leap of faith to becoming a pilot. SM TAFE is, I think, the best way to get your CPL on the strip at Jandakot currently.
Left high school not knowing what I wanted to do. My teachers always said that I'd never make a living looking out of a window. I'll be looking out of a window making a career. So sky's the limit really.